Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. These cameras are perfect for content creators and vloggers who want to step up their game. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest content. Now let's get started. When it comes to price, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at $798, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is priced slightly higher at $999. Both cameras feature highly capable sensors and processors. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor and a fast Bions X processor. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a Digic X processor. Both these combinations deliver excellent image quality and performance. If you're a video content creator, you'll appreciate the 4K capabilities of both cameras. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 oversamples 6K footage to create stunning 4K movies with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. The Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit also offers uncropped 4K video with dual pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS oversampled from 6K footage. Both cameras deliver incredible video quality for your vlogs and content. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features the product showcase setting, which transitions focus smoothly from face to object, making it great for showcasing products. The Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit incorporates dual-pixel CMOS AFE with 651 AF zones and auto-subject detection, including people, animals, and vehicles. This advanced autofocus system ensures your subjects are always in sharp focus. For those who love live streaming, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 allows easy live streaming with a single USB cable and no extra hardware or software needed. This simplifies the setup process and makes live streaming hassle-free. While the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit doesn't have built-in live streaming capabilities, it's still a fantastic camera choice for other types of content creation. And there you have it, a comparison of the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras have their unique strengths and considerations, so it's important to choose the one that aligns with your specific needs. Let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.